In Excel, can I provide a default value in case my formula returns #na? For example, say the value of a cell is here. I want the product of the two lookups, but some rows may not be there, so it could return na. If it returns na, just put 0 in this cell, but otherwise I want the product. It seems silly that you'd have to have that whole expression in there twice. Is there some shortcut where I can say do this calculation, and if it returns a value, use that, but otherwise use some default value?
If you have Excel 2007 or later versions, you can use ifera function to avoid repetition. Equals ifera VLOOKUP A3, sum sheet. G column J, 3, false, VLOOKUP A3, some other sheet. A column D, 4, false, 0. Or you can use a workaround like this in earlier versions. Equals lookup 9.9e plus 307, if 1, 0, 0, VLOOKUP A3, sum sheet. G column J, 3, false, VLOOKUP A3, some other sheet. A column D, 4, false.
It may make more sense to you if you check the first lookup value for na, and then check the second, and if they're both valid then multiply them. This adds more complexity, but may not offend delicate programmer sensibilities. Smile.
To eliminate the repetition of the expression, you can use the let function in Excel. The ops formula would then be I realize this solution may not have been available to the op at the time of posting. For anyone who searches this topic going forward, you can use this with any condition, not just isNA and isError.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.